ocean is an amazing place full of diverse and exotic creatures that we have an effect on. If the world doesn't do something to help stop the pollution from entering the ocean's water, drastic consequences may begin to happen. The cause of ocean pollution can be broken down into two categories: point source and non-point source. The effect of pollution can lower oxygen levels, increase acidity of the water. These pollutants also hurt the fish and whales. The ocean is a vital part to sustaining life on Earth. Without a healthy ocean, humans may cease to exist. Point source pollution consists of things that humans deliberately do to the ocean, such as marine garbage and smokestacks. Marine garbage consists of things like fish nets and plastics that are dumped into the water. The smoke from power plants release chemicals into the air which are both harmful to the air and the water. Also, oceanic sewage disposal is another form that which nutrient-rich solutions are dumped into the ocean. The sewage is consumed by microorganisms that deplete the oxygen level in the salt water. The garbage can be very harmful for all the aquatic life. The other form is non-point source pollution. This occurs when fertilizers and oil from our cars are washed into the rivers and then into the oceans. The ocean absorbs a lot of our carbon dioxide emissions. In the last 250 years, the ocean has absorbed 53 billion tons of carbon dioxide. This has increased the ocean's acidity level by 30%. Heavy metals such as mercury and lead are washed into the waters by factories and other places as well. The atmosphere is not only the one in trouble from our carbon dioxide emissions. The ocean absorbs a quarter of the world's carbon dioxide outputs. This is a very scary thought. The insane amount of carbon dioxide the ocean is taking in is changing the composition of the water. This process is known as acidification. This occurs when the ocean becomes too acidic, and if it becomes too acidic, it may kill all the fish, and the shells, all the shellfish and coral reefs will not be able to continue living. If the pH level of the ocean drops enough, the shellfish shells will dissolve off. These will not only harm fish like lobsters or scallops, it will harm smaller fish such as smaller organisms that are the base of the food chain, therefore disrupting the whole ecosystem. The coral reefs will also be affected. The increased acidity slows the reef formation and may kill the reefs entirely. The point source oceanic sewage disposal is when sewage is dumped into the water, which creates algae blooms that decrease the amount of oxygen in the water. This may suffocate the fish nearby due to lack of oxygen. Pathogens can form, creating health hazards in drinking water and swimming areas. These types of things must be stopped before it is too late. Toxic pollutants also find their way back into our bodies of water and into our bodies. Fish are building up harmful toxins in their bodies and skins, and we eat these fish, and then those toxins are now put in our bodies. Toxins have been known to cause cancer in mammals. The beluga whales that are concentrated in rivers like the St. Lawrence, which is highly polluted and has caused cancer, and now there's cancer causing in these whales. These toxins are not only harming the fish but people too. Humans have a real effect on the ocean. We can do our part by using environmentally friendly products, recycling oil, using water-based paint, and disposing of trash properly. The pollutants we put into the ocean has a negative effect on many life forms, including us. We must all join together to help stop the ocean from being polluted. This is a real need to stop the ocean from becoming polluted before it stops us.
Wait.
That was
very good.